Hi guys, it's Joel from JFP Automotive. Here we got these 3 big boxes, all with the parts for the single turbo kit that we're doing on that 2011 IPL. We're going to do a little unboxing, see all the goodies that we got inside these. I think I saved the best box for last on the bottom. Oh, it's like Christmas after Christmas. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, there's a nice intercooler. What else have we got? Going to sound really nice. That's going to work good. Oh, I can't wait to put this on. Well, and that's about it, guys. So, tune in for our next video when we install this on that G37. Thanks for watching, guys.